special leave petition was filed by the sole accused in the case against the judgment of High Court of Punjab and Haryana, conferring the conviction of the appellant under section 304B and 498A IPC and the sentence of imprisonment for life and 2 years respectively awarded thereunder by the trial court. The special leave petition was dismissed by this court at the notice stage on 16/9/1991 as against the same review petition number 452 of 1992 was filed. This court issued notice and the review petition was listed for hearing on 18/3/1994, but by mistake it was dismissed without hearing either party. Therefore, application has been filed to recall the order dismissing the review petition. Accordingly, the order dated 8/3/1994 dismissing the review petition is recalled and it is taken on file. After hearing the respective counsel, we allowed the review petition and restored the special leave petition. Pehra. The appellant Hemchand married the deceased Saroj Bala on 24/5/1982. She stayed for 2 months in the matrimonial home and returned to her parents' house and told them that the accused was wanting more dowry in the form of a television and a fridge. Her father gave rupees 60,000 and sent her back to her matrimonial home. The accused again demanded another sum of rupees 25,000 for purchasing a plot. On 13/11/1984, the accused took his wife and left her in her parents' house, thereby making them understand that the deceased could get back to the matrimonial home at Hisar with rupees 25,000 and not otherwise. The appellant, after undergoing 1 year's course in connection with his service, took his wife back. On 25/1987, the deceased, however, went to her father and told him that her husband was wanting rupees 25,000. She came back to her husband with rupees 15,000 with a promise that the balance would be remitted by her father soon. On 16/6/1987, the deceased died of strangulation, that is to say that she died otherwise than in normal circumstances within 7 years of her marriage. The father, after coming to know that the dead body of the deceased had been brought to village Majra, reached there. Thereafter, he lodged a complaint with the police that his daughter was murdered by the accused because of dowry. The police registered the crime and held the inquest over the dead body and sent the same for post-mortem. As the dead body was highly decomposed, the doctors referred the same to the head of Department of Forensic Medicine, Medical College, Rohtak. Dr. Dalbir Singh, Department of Forensic Medicine, examined the body and found a ligature mark around the neck. He also found a contusion over the chin of deceased. The doctor also found several other contusions on the hands and other parts of the body.